Question 22 of the WAEC 2019 Mathematics Pass question. That's your WAEC 2019 Maths Pass question. It says the total surface area of a solid cylinder is 165 centimeters square. If the base diameter is 7 centimeters, calculate its height. Okay, take pi as what? 22 over 7. Alright, sometimes they don't give pi, so if they don't give pi, you just leave a pi like that in your when you're solving. Alright, but what's the formula for finding the surface, the total surface area of a cylinder? Okay, the formula is what? 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. Okay, well, if you simplify this further, we're going to have what? 2 pi R bracket what? H plus R. Alright, so from here, we've been told that the total surface area is 165, the diameter is this, and we are to calculate what? Its height. Alright, if the diameter is this, so it means that our radius, alright, our radius will be what? 7 divided by 2. And what's 7 divided by 2? That will be 3.5 what? Centimeter. So we have to look for h. That's what we're looking for. So from here we have here, and we know our total surface area is 165. So let us now solve. Okay, so we have 165 equals to what? 2. We know our pi as what? 22 over 7 times our radius as what? 3.5. We're looking for our h plus 3.5. Alright, so from here 3.5 can go here how many times? 1 times, in here can go 2 times. Alright, and 2 here 1, 2 here what? 1. So we're left with what? 22, and what is here? We're left with 22 and what? 7 and 3.5. Okay, it's 3.5 or 35. Alright, so we have here 165 equals to what? 22 brackets h plus 3.5. Close the bracket. Let us open up this bracket. So we have 22h. If you multiply this, we have plus what? 77. Alright, so we have here 165. Let's take 77 to this side. So we have 165 minus what? 77 equal to what? 22h. Remember, taking positive to this side, we have a negative. So what is 165 minus what? 77? We have a 88 equal to what? 22h. To get our h, what do we do? Divide both sides by what? 22. Okay, 22 will cancel out here. How many times does 22 go in 88? It's going to go how many times? It's going to go 4 times. So h is equal to what? 4 centimeters. So this is our answer for our height as what? 4 centimeters. So this is our answer, and our right option here is option C.